So when a customer approaches us for a particular battery pack that they want designed for their vehicle, we identify what is his actual requirement, what is the requirement of amperage from their controller, what is the speed requirement that they have for the vehicle. Accordingly, we decide what will be the capacity and the voltage of the battery, what will be the box design so that it fits into their vehicle comfortably. Once that is done, we do a 3D design of the entire battery pack and make sure that the fitment etc. that we have thought of will actually happen when it comes into bulk production. This is just the physical aspect. We at the same time we do the electrical designing of the battery pack. What will be the voltage that we will give, what will be the amperage that we will give so that the desired mileage, the desired speed, the desired life of the battery is achieved. This electrical design and the physical mechanical design is combined, and only then the battery pack specifications are made, and based on that set of specifications we create our quality parameters, quality checkpoints, and then only does it go into the factory floor for manufacturing. The quality and the specifications determine what is the components we are using, what is the cell, what is the BMS, what is the kind of wire we will use, what is the kind of output connector we will use, etc. So battery design is not a very simple process. It is an involved process that starts from the customer's requirement and goes all the way up into the end process.